was the night approaching. It's time to gather firewood for warmth and light. Around the cozy campfire, tales of bravery and friendship fill the air, sparking the imaginations of our young adventurers. Under the twinkling stars, our friends find wonder and magic in the vast night sky.